This video is about how to drive from Schofield Barracks on the H2 Freeway down to pretty much Ewa Beach. This is normally the quickest way to come down to the southern part of Oahu. Here was the exit into Wahiawā, into the left. We have the big army base here, and we say goodbye to that. And we are down here on the freeway. And as you can see today, the sky is blue. It's just fantastic. It's a great afternoon. It's about 80 degrees outside. And there is not much to complain about here. So let's just pass this car. And after driving a while here, you're coming down to Mililani. It's a little community where people basically live. And in there you have, the usual stuff. You have stores, you have many other things. They have a great swimming pool in the area. But why would you go to a swimming pool here in Hawaii when you have the ocean all over the place? I mean, the only reason would be to do swimming, right? If you are scared of being in the ocean swimming, or you're a beginner, then of course that's the safe way of learning. But it can never beat, a place like Ala Moana. And if you look around here, you see that they actually cut the grass. They maintain the area here very well. If there is no traffic here, you could reach, say, downtown Honolulu here in maybe 20 minutes. But some days it can take you, a lot longer. It could be 40 minutes, maybe an hour, depends on what's happening here. And right here we are passing a little valley here. It's a lot of rainforest. You can see the canopy down here in this valley here. And these trees are pretty big. In the past, actually, a while back, they actually cut down too many trees here, so they suddenly ran out of water here, because you need these trees in order to generate, clouds and rainfall. So if they make this island into a desert, that's not going to work. So you need to be careful. You need to save the trees. And everything to the right here, which is basically the west side of this island here, is very, very dry. All the rainfall here comes on the eastern side of the island. By the mountain range next to Kū'īlioloa, for instance. That's the wet side. But down here, it's like a plain, and it's really dry. And we are passing Ka'uka Boulevard. 2 miles down to the H1 Freeway. And it's just going downhill. Not very steep though, but still, it's just going down. So now you have seen it, the H2 Freeway. And this is the beginning or end of it, depending on where you are coming from. And I will actually go west today. So see you next time. Bye bye.